And most time all the man want to hear you. Yeah, you do good. I mean, a simple creature. You see, evil, some man fierce, your man complex and this and that. No, bro. You see, you just want to know, say, oh, we get this and this done. You see, I will get replaced through all this. You see, in the man, you can't, like you see in enough movies, that the man know how to do the hard work and then you say, you feel sorry for you. You see, no man no want to feel sorry for them, dog. Man want to come and say, oh, yeah, man, is a real man, that. You see, you know, say, man, go do something, him do something, dog. You see me? When I have that play on the mindset there, I go look and say, watch out now, can't do anything. Watch out now. I have the mindset say, I'm going to accomplish this, I'm going to get it done no matter what. You see me?